welcome to my very chaotic but very amazing craft table. I have put away some of my sewing projects for now because I really want to focus on my Belgium scrapbook pages. I've gotten one down here that I'm very obsessed with, so I basically need to match this page because it will be a spread. And along the way, I'm going to be telling you guys what my most essential craft materials are, what I use for scrapbooking that I could not live without. So let's get right into it. I am very happy with how this spread turned out. I think it definitely captures the vibe of the day. And I want to tell you guys more about where I actually get my materials and show you some more inspo. This is one of my favorite pages because of how collagey it is, and bonus supply is stamps. I use stamps a lot. Here are the star stamps, and I use these stamps for the lettering. I think they tie really well into handwritten messages and just adds more dimension to your pages.